New day and a new recipe. Good morning. Hello everyone, good morning. I hope everyone are doing okay. And today we will cook another recipe. But before we continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe our channel right there and hit the notification bell right there too, so you will be notified every time we will post a new video. Now the recipe that I'm talking about is egg sandwich. Now let's go to our kitchen. The ingredients of our recipe today are 4 slices of sliced bread, 2 eggs, sweet release, mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, and romaine lettuce. Here we have a boiling water here. We will put our egg slowly so that it won't crack, and the other one slowly. Ayan. And then we will wait for 10 minutes to cook. Our eggs are done. Let's put it in our bowl so we can peel it. Take the skin off, so we're ready to make a sandwich. So right here I put water in our bowl with the eggs so my hands won't get burned. So let's take the skin off right there, like that. So it's almost done. And it's done. Now let's put this away and let's take the eggs. Then what I'm gonna do with the eggs is open it. Oops, I wash my hand, by the way. Open it and mash the egg like that with the skin, with the white, because I usually eat the white, but once in a while it's good to eat the yellow yolk because the yellow yolk are very healthy. Now it's time to put a mayonnaise. It's just 3 teaspoons because I don't want that too strong or a lot of mayonnaise because I don't want my stomach will get bad. So the next one that we will put is the release. The release is not bad, but it's healthy. So let's make it together like that. Mix it until it blends or it mixes well. And let's get a pinch of salt. 3 pinch. And then mix it together. And it's done. It's ready to make our egg sandwich. And let's move the other bread here. Now let's open it and put our mixture here, right there. Delicious. And let's mix it well, or let's spread it well. And now let's put the lettuce. By the way, I wash my hands, okay? And there you go. It's time for us to eat. And now it's done. Let's cut our sandwich. Alright. That's it. There you have it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next cooking style. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit likes and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!